Sit quietly by a running stream. Give thanks for nature's gifts. You belong to a world of magic and wonder. May your eyes light up with joy. Today's quote is from the guidebook for the Blessings from the Heart of the Rose Oracle Card Deck by Sheila Murphy. The books from which these daily quotes originate can be found on these websites. Below this video, in the description area, there are clickable links to these sites. Please note that not all of the books are on all of the sites. It depends on where you live in the world.